The next experiment is function generator. This is function generator which generates three types of signals: sinusoidal waveform, triangular waveform and square waveform. This experiment name is the study of function generator. Here the function generator kit, this is the function generator kit which generate maximum 5 megahertz frequency. This is frequency knob by which we can change these frequency ranges. There are so many frequency range: 1 hertz, 10 hertz, 100 hertz, 1 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, up to 1 megahertz. The functions, there are three functions: sinusoidal waveform, triangular waveform and square waveform. We can generate any type of signals from this function generator. Basically, this function generator is used in case of communication labs. Mostly we generate the sinusoidal signals, which is the standard signal for the communication lab, and this signal is used as an input for any circuit. In case of communication circuit, we use this generated sinusoidal waveforms as an input for the modulators. We can use the input and take the output from the different modulator circuit and demodulator circuit to analyze the particular circuit of a system. Here, this is the frequency range. If we change this frequency like this is 2-digit frequency, that is 29. For the fine changes, we can change from here. The maximum limit 29 and the minimum limit 24. Between 24 to 29, we can change the frequency. The next frequency, we can use 248. The maximum range, this is maximum range, that is 300. Similarly, kilohertz frequencies 34 kilohertz and so on. And by the use of CRO, we can check out these particular specific signals. This is sinusoidal, triangular and square waveform. And we can also vary the amplitude of any required signal from here by the CRO. With the help of CRO, we can analyze the signal from this function generator. The function generator, basically it contains the current limiter circuit, and here the output port. From this output port, we can take the output from the function generator, and for analyzing this particular signal, we can use CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, on which we can take the visual output of this generated signal. Thank you.